Welcome, explorers. I'm Mrs. John.
Hi, welcome to my kitchen. I hope that you will subscribe and watch out for my baby chick. He's somewhere in the video. So, oh, Pocky, do you have an egg for me today? Thank you, Pocky. What do we have? A mini train. Bill, looks like it says on the side. With tennis rackets and a tennis ball. And it is indeed Bill. Cool. Today we're going to open our Thomas & Friends sticker book Treasury. And we're going to do this page here with lots and lots of stickers. The Sodor Steamworks is bustling with activity. Any engine in need of a tune-up or repair knows that this is the place to go. Complete the scene with your stickers. Alright, so the first thing we need to do, I think, is find faces for these two engines. And it looks like it is James and Thomas, so let's see if you recognize these faces. Know which engine this is? I think it's James. Oh, that's tricky to line up all the lines. There we go. And here is Thomas's face. There we go. Okay. Now I see Sir Topham Hatt. Let's find the sticker that matches him. There he is. And oh, I think I see Percy. There's Percy. Let's put his sticker, match his sticker. Oh, there's a lot of lines over there. There we go. Okay, who else do we have here? Oh, what is that? There's somebody. Do you recognize who that is? There. Kevin. It's Kevin. Okay. And there we have somebody. Oh, I do not recognize this one. Can you tell who that is? Can you recognize that engine? There's Victor. Okay. Oh, there's something missing right there. I wonder if... Oh, I think here is the sticker that goes there. Yep. One of these windows is missing. Let's find that one. There it is. Let's see. What other spots do we have missing? Oh, the Sodor Steamworks symbol is missing. There. There it is. That's very important. And the top right here. Looks like a water tower. Let's make sure that that's on there. And then we have two more pieces that are missing, and they're both on Thomas. So his wheels are missing. Let's put those on so that he can go. That's very important. Okay. And his side panel is missing. It says number 1 on it. Oh, there's the 1. Let's put that on so we can be all done. There. So now everybody's gotten all repaired, and you can tell everything's going well because Sir Topham Hatt looks very proud.
Did you find my baby chick hiding in this video? Subscribe to my channel for new videos every weekday and Saturdays at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you for visiting me in my kitchen today. Please come back soon. Please press the like button below this video. Have a lovely day.